Assalamualaikum grade 10. Hopefully you all will be fine. Today date is 26th August 2020. It's my 39th lecture and day is Wednesday. Today I am going to start book exercise of unit number 6, television versus newspaper. We have done question answers and we have also read all the text. See, it's on page number 70. Vocabulary. Question number A. Give the meaning of each word as used in the lesson. So all the difficult words meaning I have already discussed. See, primarily, at first, distinct, vivid, aspects, sides, layer, free time, auditory, related to hearing, coverage, reporting, layer, enjoy. Form a noun with each of the following words and use the noun in sentences. See, relevant, relevance, interested, interesting, require, requirement, convenient, convenience, effective, effect. So we have changed these words into noun. We make noun, and what is your work? You have to make sentences of these nouns, such as relevance. You have to write the sentence of relevance. I am giving you this one home task. What you have to do? You have to write the word, then change these words into noun, and then change the whatever the word you have written. You have to write the sentences of noun. नाउन के आपने सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं जिन वर्ड्स को आपने चेंज किया है, जिस तरह रेलिवेंस है, इंटरेस्टिंग, रिक्वायरमेंट, convenience. All of these words you can find in the text also. See the next question, reading comprehension. Analyst of pattern of text organization. So it is related to the chapter we have read. Choose the correct option. In paragraph 1, the graphic sentence is spotted through. So टॉपिक सेंटेंस वो होता है जिसमें टॉपिक को इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है. इज स्पोर्टिंग थ्रू फैक्ट्स, यानी फैक्ट्स के थ्रू उसको स्पोर्ट किया गया है टॉपिक सेंटेंस को. ऑप्शन ए इज़ करेक्ट. पैराग्राफ 2 शोज दैट वॉचिंग न्यूज़ ऑन टेलीविज़न इज़ ऑप्शन ए नॉट एज कन्वीनियंट. कि टेलीविज़न पे जो न्यूज़ हम देख रहे हैं, पैराग्राफ 2 अगर हम देखें तो उसमें न्यूज़पेपर के बारे में बताया गया है, टेलीविज़न न्यूज़ के बारे में नहीं बताया गया. और सेकंड पैराग्राफ जो न्यूज़पेपर है उसको सपोर्ट कर रहा है. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ नॉट एज कन्वीनियंट. सो वाचिंग टेलीविज़न इज़ नॉट एज कन्वीनियंट. पैराग्राफ नंबर सेंटेंस 3. द की आइडिया ऑफ पैराग्राफ 4 इज़ option C, television viewing is more convenient than reading newspaper. So in paragraph number 4 they have told about television viewers. Paragraph 5, option B gives arguments in favor of newspaper. Sentence number 5. Television news is like having a fast food meal, whereas reading newspaper is like having a 10-course dinner. This sentence is an example of option B simile. Paragraph number 6 concludes that we should use both medium of information. Option A is correct. We have done question answers. Now see page number 73. Grammar. Modal verbs. You know what is modal verbs? In modal verbs we write can, could, may, might, should, would. All of these words are called modal verbs. See, put appropriate modal verbs into the gaps. We had to borrow umbrellas, so we didn't get wet. I was so far from the stage that I could see very well. We will write here I could see very well. He sees very badly. He should wear glasses all the time. We must not drive fast. There is a speed limit here. we should not drive fast, we have plenty of time. So must not, and here we write should not. Active and passive voice, you know the rules how we change active voice into passive voice. See the question number B. Put in the correct form of verb to complete the following sentences in passive voice. So they have given us instruction in bracket. They have written to write. So write is verb here. We will write helping verb and we will change verb in third form of verb, and we will make present continuous tense in passive voice. हम पैसिव वॉइस में प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस लिखेंगे. उन्होंने कहा है कि इन वर्ब्स को हमने पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करना है. सी वर्ब टू कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस इन पैसिव वॉइस. सो दीज सेंटेंसेस आर गिवन. वी हैव टू चेंज दीज सेंटेंसेस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंस्ट्रक्शन. We have to write present continuous tense. We know in present continuous tense the helping verb is being, am being, are being, and write first form of verb change into the third form of verb. We will write written. A letter is being written by Hassan. Here we will write present indefinite tense. In present indefinite tense we have helping verb is, am, are. The words are explained. Explain is written here. We write third form of verb. The words are explained by the teacher today. The words are explained by the teacher today. This road is already closed. See, present indefinite tense we write is, am, are, and here we write third form of verb. It's already closed because of snow. We will change it into present continuous tense. The dishes are not being washed by my brother. We write present indefinite tense. I am not called by the principal. I hope you have understand how we change these sentences into passive voice. We just see the instruction. All the time we write third form of verb. If present indefinite tense is given, we write helping verb is, am, are, and if present continuous tense is written, we have to write is being, am being, are being. Next activity is about conditional sentences. The first conditional sentences are used to speculate about positive situation that can already happen at present or in future. So it will be in present indefinite tense and future indefinite tense, and it will give us condition. Conditional sentences यानी शर्तियाँ फिक्रे, यानी किसी चीज़ की शर्त हमें दी गई होगी कि it will be fulfilled or it will not be fulfilled if we do any action. कि कोई काम करने से ये काम हो जाएगा या कोई काम नहीं होगा. So example is given. If they are busy people, so if sentence is there, if shows condition. हमें conditional sentences में हमारे पास हमेशा if या whether होगा. If shows condition, conditional sentence. If they are busy people, they will miss the news. So here we have present indefinite tense and will miss, it is future indefinite tense. See, if we will write present indefinite tense and further we will write future indefinite tense. यानी if के साथ जब भी हम लिखेंगे वो present indefinite tense लिखेंगे और next जो है हम future indefinite tense लिखेंगे. I hope you have understand कि all the time whenever we have conditional sentence started with if, we will write first form of verb and the further sentence. In further sentence we will write future indefinite tense. Put the correct form of the verbs to make first conditional sentences. So first conditional sentences we will write correct form of verb. If is given, we will write present indefinite tense. See, if you get back late, I shall be angry. So next sentence will be in future indefinite tense. if के साथ हमने present indefinite tense लगाना है और further sentence जो होगा उसमें हमने future indefinite tense लगाना है. b को हम b ही रहने देंगे. So it is first form shall be angry. If we wait, we write first form of present indefinite tense. If we wait here, we shall be late. If we go on holidays this summer, we shall go to ziyarat. So with if we write first form of verb and with here in next sentence we write shall go, future indefinite tense. If the weather not is written here, so we write does not improve. If the weather does not improve, we shall not have a picnic. We write just shall not have. फ्यूचर टेंस आएगा यहाँ. We will go to the party if they are invited. अब यहाँ पर if आ रहा है, ये सिंपल सेंटेंस है. They will go, that's why I have written they will go to the party, and with if we write present indefinite tense or present tense, they are invited. Till here you have to do your book exercise. Book work is on page number 74. You have to learn all of these activities also, and I hope you will do it on time. Allah Hafiz class.